snacks, Littlefoot. We're going on a road trip.
First, a little snacky snack before we hit the road. Buddy. Let's be friends. I've got Belle here with me. She's new to the farm. She got here today. My plan is to spend a lot of time with her. She seems very friendly already, but I would love it if she had an affinity to me. I really enjoy having a few goats that enjoy me more than they enjoy other people. It's cool to have them feel affectionate towards you and to see that and how they react to your voice and your presence. It's cool. She's still pretty nervous, you can tell. She's pretty chittery. You can hear her chipping and chittering. We got Littlefoot all settled in.
We're taking him with us because he's got to eat every 2 to 3 hours. He's still such a little guy that his tummy can only hold so much. Gotta have to eat on the trip. We're going for 9 hours.
So we're going to pick up our new buck and a doe from the same farm. We've got the van all packed up, the goat mobile, got our dues.
Ready to go.
Ready to go. We stopped at a rest stop on our trip. We're taking little buddy out. We've got his milk warming up here, and we're gonna go let him hang out in the grass for a minute just so that we can take a little bit of a break. Time for snack time before we get moving on. Is a long time in a car. He does really well. He sleeps a lot. He just wakes up every few hours to feed and then goes right back to sleep. Jump around a little bit. He's just over a week old now and he's still acting happy and healthy. That's really good. We'll get him packed back up in the car and we'll hit the road. These guys sleep crazy. We hit some rumble strips. But he's got his head completely cranked to the side.
Hurts my neck just looking at him.
We made it to the drop-off location. We're just setting things up here with the cages. Make sure everything is looking good. We're just waiting for them to show up now. Here we are. Big reveal. Oh, you dropped your shirt.
Put on my goat coat.
There he is.
Okay,
It's our buck there on the right.
Now he has a 1 foot on the, let's see, Michael, which one is it? The right, the left.
right.
Yeah. Yeah. You guys might trim him up a little better than we are. We're not as good as we should be, probably.
We'll take good care of him.
Right?
He's handsome.
He is a handsome boy.
He's a good boy.
He's stinky.
Welcome to the family, buddy.
Yeah, I'll just
Yeah, you better just grab her. Oh, it's all right. It's all right.
Come on, girl.
She's beautiful too.
On the fence or whatever. And these are the papers, and this is a bill of sale. This is for her, and this is for him.
So we just got done with our handoff with the other folks that gave us our 2 new friends here. We're happy with how things have gone. We're just feeding,
Littlefoot before we get back on the road.
we got a 4-hour drive to get us home.
And he is stinky.
He's certainly got his musk. Smells like a big smelly man goat.
The van might never be the same after this.
So I didn't tell you guys about her. She is a new coat pattern on our farm. It's called Swiss. There's a little bit of color variation from goat to goat, but she's our first. So we're glad to have her. We're glad to add a little bit more variety to our herd, and hopefully we get a few more from her in the future. You guys enjoying the view? No, they're not. They've just been making out through the cage the whole time. Making googly eyes.
She must really be in love. Regular old Romeo and Juliet.
Yeah.
Making me uncomfortable.
We're home, guys. Now we gotta get them all set up in their pens, and we can check back in later. We got them back to meet some of the new ladies. They're hungry. He's already doing some flirting, but these girls are very pregnant, so he's probably not gonna have much luck. So I'm gonna wish him a good night and let him do his thing. Let him acclimate. Good night, buddy. Boy, he's stinky. That was a stinky car ride. So we got her in here in her new pen as well. It seems like she's doing okay. She is not pregnant and is in heat, so she's probably gonna be doing some serious flirting tonight through this fence here. Let me take that collar off you, bud. Can I take that collar off? You a little bit nervous? Anytime a new goat joins the farm, it's pretty typical for them to be a little standoffish, a little bit scared. They're just checking things out. Takes them a little bit to acclimate, a couple days, and then they do just fine. Belle here, she was very fast. Pretty much right away, she was friendly. It may take her a little bit longer. I can already tell that she's very friendly, and she'll be comfortable in no time.